I'm betting that over the course of your career and your life, at one point you've experienced CRS. That's when you can't remember. I'm Rob Zaberski, and I have the privilege of being your guest speaker at the May 21st Third Coast Study Club meeting. I'm going to be sharing a program with you called Discovering Your Memory Power. I've had the honor of traveling all over the country for the better part of the last 8 years, working with Seattle Study Clubs and sharing this awesome, high-energy, interactive program that's designed to help you learn how to use your memory the way it's designed to be used. So whether you're trying to remember patient details or numbers or lists or key points of a presentation or names, because I know that that's the number one reason most people show up to this event, we're going to help you understand how and why you've had that experience where you've met someone for the very first time, gotten their name, shook their hand, and as soon as the handshake breaks, the name's gone. We're going to help cure that. I am so excited to share the day with you on May 21. If you've got questions or comments or something specific you want to talk about, all my contact information is going to be at the end of this video. Please reach out. In the meantime, get ready for a heck of a day on May 21st. I'll look forward to seeing you soon.